रोड सेफ्टीचेर पूर्ण दिसांची चर्चा सत्र जावची आणि तीवूय पंचायत आणि नगरपालिका पावंड्यार तशें जालें जाल्यार रस्त्या विशींची जागृताय मोठ्या प्रमाणात जातली। गोवा कॅनान मत मांडला। पणजे बेटर रोड सेफ्टी इकोसिस्टम इन गोवा या माताळ्या खाला द लॉजिस्टिक कमिटी ऑफ गोवा चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्स अँड इंडस्ट्री आणि गोवा इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ मॅनेजमेंटान विशेष चर्चा सत्र घडोवन हाडले। कार्यावळीक साबार एनजीओंनी हजेरी लावन विचार मांडले।
I think this is a very good initiative from their side to highlight the issues of road safety. It is a 2 hours program, no doubt. However, I think it is a good beginning. It has brought people from different parts of Goa. Various stakeholders have come together, and I would think that the time has come that GCCI can also take the initiative to start a dialogue with the Goa Institute of Management together about some of the road designs which are faulty, which have been identified very nicely by the students of Goa Institute of Management. So I think this is a good beginning, and we have already put forward a proposal to them that they should have a one-day seminar on this matter, particularly to look at some of the issues which have been raised today. I would also like that if they can take the lead in creating capacity sessions for Panchayat members and municipal council members of the village and municipal road safety and traffic management committees. So this is our hope, and that is why today we have brought some of the material to display here. We would require more volunteers to come forward and become traffic wardens, which is one thing, and secondly to promote the road safety patrol in the schools, higher secondaries and colleges of Goa.
उत्तर गोयचो एसपी नितीन वालसानान काय वेगळे निष्कर्ष मांडले, ऐकात।
So fatal accidents, when we are studying, what we understood is that though it's a tourism-rich area where there are a lot of footfall of tourists, the majority of the people who are losing lives in Goa for 2 accidents are Goans only. And in that fatal accidents, there are loss of lives. 67 to 80% of the people belongs to the age group which one of the speakers already mentioned, from 80 to 35 or 40. And of that, 80% to 90% of those people are two-wheelers. So the studies which have highlighted about the highways and all, what I have understood as far as SP North is concerned, I can't comment much upon the accidents in the South Goa district, but I have seen in North Goa the maximum number of districts happen in Vernon, fatal accidents I would say, Vernon, Bicholi, Old Goa. So if you see in these areas, the traffic density is not as high as in the other areas. So most of the people here highlighted Mercy Circle and all those people in and around Panjim, Porvorim and all, where accidents are not as fatal as which is happening in other places. In these areas, there has been an increase in density of the vehicles. There has been an increase in density of the vehicles. So you can see more traffic jams. So you can't say traffic jams and accidents have got a correlation. I was concluding it. It's open for discussion. Can be a correlation, but what I have seen is like majority of the accidents happen in area where you have the freedom to move the vehicle at their own speed.
गोवा 365 खातीर डिलन रॉड्रिगीज, जवाहर बर्वे आणि संगीता ओली।